If you are having invisible table borders in Word, so how you can fix that? First, click on this four corner arrow. The all table will be selected. Then right click and go to the table properties and click on the borders and shading. And now select all and select the style of the line. Choose the color, for example selecting on this one, and you can increase the width of the line and make sure this should be applied to the table and click OK and click OK. Now you can see that. If doesn't help you, then what you have to do is then go to the home and under the paragraph group go to this border section and click on all borders, and you can see that the all invisible borders are showing in the table. If doesn't help you, then go to the table design and select the border styles. Click the choose this style and increase the PT, use the pen color and select on the border and click on the all borders, and here all border, and here invisible borders are fixed. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.